And them that come home, they live better. Yeah, they live better, man. The money stretch far, you know what I mean?
Yes.
And when they want anything, they jump on the vehicle and them they go to the airport, jump on the plane, and they go back over there and buy what they want. Because when you check it out now, you see, this is returning resident right here. All those houses returning resident down there. That house is returning resident right there.
Yeah.
This one is returning resident right here. This one is built for returning resident when he's ready. This one is a returning resident. This one is a returning resident.
This one is a return.
This one is a returning resident. So now you see, this is good life in Jamaica.
Jamaica,
For a
good
person
life.
that's in America.
You building this one?
Come, let's go.
Is this for your daughter?
And
how
there goes my builder right here.
This is the construction man? Which one?
That's the man there.
Who's the boss?
That's the boss right there. That's John right there. Where you point from?
He's the boss.
No, see right here. Right in
Well,
front
he
of
has
you.
on the better shoes.
Okay.
John,
Yeah, my respect, sir. My respect.
okay, I love your energy.
Yeah, man, my respect.
I have to come to Jamaica. I'm from Jamaica Good Life Online. I represent thousands of Americans abroad.
Okay.
And they have always trust issue.
Okay.
So we're going to try to get you more work. After you done this and this man give us a good report, it seems like him have a good energy. Him no overwork you, right? Him pay you well?
Yes, man, no problem.
No problem.
No problem.
Okay. All right. So have you ever have any disgruntled clients? A few? Did you mess up? Honestly,
no,
at
no.
any time in your how many years? 30 years of working on this?
Yeah, roughly, yeah.
Have you, messed up anyway?
No.
What's your trust level from a scale of 1 to 10? 10 mean you could really trust me with your family?
Yeah, man, no problem.
9.
No problem, yeah.
This man looks like a respectable, powerful. I mean, look on the big. You did this from scratch. This is all you and your crew.
Yeah, fam. That section.
You have any problem with this man?
No, I can't recommend him to you.
Is he reasonable?
Reasonable. Be on work on time. He work like the real American. Be on work on time, like he clocking in. You have to punch that card to get deduction.
What? You have a card machine for him?
You don't have to have a card machine for him. He's at work before me in the morning. So
I love it. See, this is what I'm talking about.
Okay.
People you can trust. My virgin, him give you lunch for free anyhow? Like free lunch Wednesdays?
Good man, good man, very good man.
Very good man.
Yes.
How many years you been working with him?
No, it's not a long time still, but
Yeah.
since we know
Have
him.
you ever seen him thief nobody money? I'm just kidding.
Nothing like that. Nothing like that.
Listen, I love your work, man. Let me see. Make inspector and take a look. So now you're planning to have a gutter, right?
Yeah.
Because I see this design, the water might run down and carry, mess up the thing a little.
no.
Okay, yeah, the water
That'd be
run
different.
over the inside.
And how many houses have you built total, you think, in your life?
Whoa. I can't tell you. Many.
Many?
Yes, man.
So you mean me can't really recommend you on my network? Because if you mess up,
Yeah.
you know what people gonna say around the use that dirty. But yeah, man, I love it.
Okay.
I love to see great Jamaicans. I'm a virgin. Let's make some give a free lunch this week. Give me your name again, sir.
I'm John
John, last name.
Williams.
John Williams. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. Wow, I love it, John. Wow, look for you, Tina. Wow.
That's like craftsman's work and this, man.
Chubby, let's stay focused for a second on us. That way we don't pull the energy back. My gosh, man.
You want the tour inside?
Yes, let's do that.
Now, you build a house like this in America, you got to pay some money out of your pocket because this is not board. This cannot be moved. This is straight concrete and brick right through. So you can't put on a trailer and move from where it is. So she built it mostly like American because you got the 40. Here is where the master door gonna be at the front entrance. And we're gonna grill the front part. And in here, now you have. That's a dining room right here. You see how the length of this dining room? This is what you call food life in Jamaica.
Jamaica good life.
Good life.
Yeah.
Not with the food, but with the house now.
Yeah.
Right? You got your living room around here. Then you got a bedroom around here. You got a bedroom down here. You watch your steps, okay?
Oh, this? You know what I like about this house? The windows.
Get a lot of air.
When I want teeth, I love big windows.
Yeah, you're going to come up inside.
Come tall, you know, I'm about chubby. I'm about 6 feet, so.
Yeah, you get a
No. So this, my gosh.
Yes, that's not a master bedroom, that's just a regular bedroom.
This is a regular bedroom. Okay.
Then you got a regular bathroom here. That'll serve those 2 rooms right here.
Regular bathroom.
Regular bathroom.
Boom.
Then you got another bedroom here.
This is another bedroom. This would be for the children. Nice.
Then over here now you got the master bedroom. That's an old house.
Bro, this is as big as I want my house to be.
Alright.
Tell me, this is the master bedroom.
And
Wow.
this is the walk-in closet.
This is how I want my whole house to be. This is the size. Tell me, this is the size in the mountain.
Yeah.
So this is a walk-in closet.
Walk-in closet. He's a
This is a, this is a walk-in closet.
over here, bathroom. This is the master bathroom now.
This is the master bathroom.
That's the master bathroom.
That's Jamaica good
Yeah,
life.
this is about 14 by maybe about 13 feet. The shower gonna be over that side.
Master
And
bathroom.
look at the size of the shower. The shower gonna be coming from the wall here to this one right here. It's gonna come out to about here and stop. And they're gonna do what they have to do inside. This is shower right here.
Because, you know, people who work hard has to shower very frequently.
Then over here though that's where they got a view.
Mm-hmm.
This is her private patio.
A private
Yeah,
patio.
you're gonna have a sliding door there. Private patio. That's a bedroom.
Okay.
You walk out to your bedroom right here.
Wouldn't you have a wall here so she just come over? Maybe? Is the bedroom still?
You're gonna have a sliding door here.
Yeah,
that's
okay.
separated.
Oh, so her
It's
patio.
private, and then you're gonna have another door here. So she got 2 windows for her own private patio.
And then you have the tanks.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you where the tanks are. Those are jumps. Those are jumps that collect water for.
Look at that tree, bro.
Yeah, that's a cotton tree. They used to use it back in the day for canoes for the Arawaks them to go.
Uh-huh. Wow.
That's a returning resident right here.
Uh-huh.
That's a returning resident on your right hand side here.
Uh-huh.
The one over by it, all the way around here is a, come on in. Is it that returning resident around here in that complex around here? There's a complex right around here.
Mm-hmm.
They have a lot of returning residents over there.
Mm-hmm.
England and America.
Yes.
All right, over here is the entertaining patio.
Oh,
That's
yes.
come from the kitchen, come straight in.
Yes.
Yeah, and she could lock it off there. Nobody could go over that side.
Yes.
So you see how much windows you have here, and you get that nice fresh air when you pop it open.
Yes. I like.
Yep.
This is who was the designer?
Yeah. Her husband is the designer. She designed the way he wanted, and he just sent it. he brings some of the plans home, and then he sends some on the WhatsApp. Or you have a WhatsApp, so what we do now is this, that when we over here, you know, for each step we have to go, he have to be sitting over there. That's a good thing about technology. Because what we do now, we video hit, and we show him, and he video what he want, and send it back. I say, this gotta be here, that gotta be here. We go through it little by little live video.
Yes.
And he show where he want all these plugs them. Like all the plugs them gonna be in the wall right here like this. They go into the wall. And the wires them run under the ground before you tile it. So they do things different from America. This house will be very hard to destroy with a fire. Because everything is under the ground. And it's concrete and brick. We don't use board over here. We use this concrete and bricks. Now, over here you got a washroom back there. You got a washroom back there. That's gonna be a laundry room. So you see the wall them big, all the wall them that big, they're gonna put the pipe in it and then put the electric current running it. You see the current run, not like America, they run in the ceiling. Bulbs that come out of the ceiling and it's strictly concrete. And iron caging and electrical pipe. Going, and then when they do, they thread wires to it. So they don't open up nothing and put it where. If a fire starts here, you only can go so much before it out. You can't damage it.
Got it.
And then in here now you got, that's a kitchen right. Let me show you something. This is a kitchen right here. The kitchen from there to here. So you have your kitchen here, your dine over there. You got a pantry. So we don't play with food, you know, because we got the food. You understand? That's the storage for the food right here. And then look at the good thing about it. If you, I'm gonna show you a trick now. We don't pay for water, we don't pay for sewer.
Because you have your own.
We have our own water. Oh, I want to show you something. See that? Here goes the water right there.
Wow.
That's one tank right there.
And that does nothing to the concrete.
No. You see how thick it is? And that runs, you set the pipe and run off the roof.
Yeah.
So when you're talking about water coming over, the water ain't gonna come over because we're back city.
Oh, I see.
And then we send it down through a pipe.
Yeah.
Tilt the roof like that to the lowest part you put where the pipe is.
Yeah.
So you come down in it and go down in that.
How big is the tank?
It's a massive tank inside it. And then you come down and go through the next one.
Wow.
Stand right there. There goes the other one.
But this water is for flushing or
This water is for everything.
drink?
Everything.
How can you drink that?
Yeah, that's a good water right there. Pure good water right there.
Yeah?
This water is better than any pipe water. You don't have no chlorine, you don't have nothing inside of it. This
So
water
you just use your filters.
filters and that's it.
So no matter what, the world is going upside down.
You'll be alright.
You're good to
water.
go.
And then you have a trap door on top of it, iron trap door. And we tile all over it. So when you're ready, they just pull up the trap door and get it in. And this is gonna be in the closet, so you will be able to see the cupboard for the kitchen.
So it's sealed off so nothing can go in there?
Nothing can go inside of it because it's gonna be the cupboard coming up straight up like that. The cupboard for the kitchen, and then you put the trap door inside.
Inside the cupboard.
Yeah, so
No insects or no little snake go.
Nah, you put the mesh on top, the roof,
Nothing comes in.
and nothing comes inside of it. It's gonna be like one. There was another one. That's the outside one. That's the tank there outside.
I see.
Catch me. You see that one over there? You just built.
Yes.
You see that new one?
Yes.
All the way over.
Yeah, that one.
That's the gentleman who built it too. This man right here. He
Oh.
built that second one over there.
Okay.
And that's a returning resident. He came out and get that done. Couple
So
weeks
this
ago.
man is
It's still full man.
is James, right?
John.
John.
And if you look at his work, you can see how it's nice and pretty.
John, you're gonna have to start hiring more people. You can't be doing this stuff yourself because you're gonna get a lot of business, John.
Okay.
I mean, you shouldn't. Wow. Yes, a real man. So you like more hands-on.
Yeah.
This is your art. John, I must commend you. Brilliant.
Okay, thanks.
Brilliant. You have received the Jamaica Good Life Golden Seal because of honesty and vision. I love the wind. I love the design. John, let me shake your hand. I'm gonna definitely seal you up on the program.
My respect.
You're a good Jamaican. When this done, I'll come eat dinner.
Okay.
Drink some wine with you.
You want to see the
John, thank you.
this one out?
Let me go to this one. Working. How you feel? You feel better?
Yeah, she feeling sick.
Yes, she has.
All right. You see, the thing will escape over here now. You see, you build a house and you don't pay rent no more. You don't pay mortgage no more.
Yeah.
And you get it the way you want it. You don't have to worry about mortgage for the rest of your life. And the money that you would pay for mortgage in 1 year over there, or 2 years, put it like that. Say 10 years, because this income starts, it's 10 years while you reach here. So if you do 20 years in America and take your time and build your house, you're all right. But you will have 30 years to pay for that house. And you pay for it 3 times. You will only pay for it maybe once over here. And that's it. So if you take 30 years, you're talking about 15 years you take and build your house. And you're done. And the repair that you have to do to that house is very little because it's still a concrete structure. You don't pay for water because you got 2 tanks in it.
Yes, sir.
And you don't pay for water.
So you save
know,
money
see?
on that.
Yeah, you know you have to pay for water in America. You don't pay for sewer because you dig your own pit. And you leave your sewer straight in. Let me show you how that works. So you eliminate all those bills that will come in. Oh, another thing is this piece of land would cost you, it would cost you 65,000 US dollars.
This is the land.
The land. You come from all the way up there where you see building, go straight down to that tree there and come back around like that.
Approximately how many acres is that?
A little bit over half an acre.
Okay.
It cost you that amount. But you can pay less because you wouldn't want so much land in this by a quarter acre, half of it. Costs you about 30,000 US, 3 million. Right, you get a nice land. All right. This now, that's your sewer. That's where your sewer go.
Yes.
You go 17 feet down.
17 feet now.
Yeah, and they give us 17 feet down by 15 feet across. So
And you pack it
and they pack it
with stones so that it
yeah,
could sink
sink.
over
to
time.
soak away, and then you put on a top on it. And this top is very strong. You don't have to worry about it doing falling. Because if you notice, you got a lot of steel in it. And then we get one of those old-time van chassis. That's a chassis of the van, not these modern vehicle, the old one, they maybe back in the 60s, and we'll put it across. So it can take any pressure we want to take pressure. And this you can't feel, because they test it. When they go down to the 17 feet, what they do is this, they put a piece of spear inside of it and throw water inside of it. And they use the water that's dissolved and gone. So you're 17 feet down. So we don't pay for sewer over here, we don't pay for water. We don't pay no mortgage. So the only thing you have is your internet, which we have it up here, so we are right. And the light bill. And then they're gonna eliminate the light bill because the light bill is very high over here. So they decide that they're gonna put a solar system on top of it. So we won't have to worry about light.
There's Chubby's mansion.
Yeah. So this is what we're part of the good
Chubby,
life.
come catch me with Lambert in the Good Life. We want to get a good shot at this to wrap this up. This is Jamaica Good Life. Wow, Chubby right here, don't fall down. And we're gonna go over here, right over there. And if you could hold it up and take a couple of shots. I'm gonna go with Lambert and Shorty.
Yeah, it's a beautiful.
Catch this Good Life. You see this Jamaica Good Life?
Baby
Take
shot.
a couple of shots.
Yeah.
This is Jamaica
Good life.
Good Life. I love windows.
Yes.
anybody who designs a house like this is my idol. I love windows.
Yes.
And what are you living in boxes for? Look at this.
And there's only 2 people gonna be living here. You know they got a rental right here.
You got the rental
Yes,
down here?
you got 7 rooms downstairs.
7 rooms.
7 rooms and you can see
But wait,
both-
but you said the tank is below, it's beside the rental.
it's behind on the left hand side. The rentals them is on the right hand side.
So they're going to pay a light bill. They live in free. They don't have to pay for light bill. How many rooms for the rental?
7.
7
Yeah.
for one person.
2 people live there.
People live there already?
Yeah. Yeah, people's inside there. They have all the things and everything in there.
They live there already?
Yeah, you rent it out.
So the smart thing is to build a rental first to help with the funding for
Yeah,
everything.
it depends on how the property stays. Because if the property is a flat like that, straight flat, you just want your house. But like this, it would cost too much money to fill it up, to bring it up to the level of your
So
front.
why not just
So you
use
put
that?
the unit in the back. You understand? And the way they design it, they're gonna be separate from the people who own the house. Yeah. The husband is in the army. He's the one who designed the house.
He doesn't mind you show this to the
Nah,
world.
man. He don't mind. He don't mind.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Yep. It's 10 years in the making now.
And this column here is pretty.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is this all sand or?
No, that's all stones. You have fine
Stone
stones,
dust?
gravels like those, and the
Stone
fine
dust.
one. Stone dust. And
No
gravel.
sand here.
No
The
sand.
structure.
This structure.
Is it cheaper with stone dust? That's what I hear.
No, that's what they use. But they use, if they're gonna render it, then they use the sand and render.
Sand for the outside.
Yeah, for the outside.
So this is cast with probably how many steel?
6 pieces of steel in it straight up, and then they put the piece and that go horizontal, go around it, hug it, go straight up.
So why wouldn't you make these with sand instead?
You could use this sand, but it's strong enough as the amount of cement you put inside of it. You know?
You have to put gravel.
Strong.
Yeah, man, that's strong, man.
I could probably push this over. I'm just
That's strong.
Wow.
That won't crumble no time soon.
Wow.
Stand up.
Well, that's chubby. That's clean. This is what I'm talking about with the. That's why I love this builder.
Yeah.
And this man is certified and he's bond.
Yeah, he's trying to buy one band, man.
The minute this finished, right? What's your estimate on this? Another year? Another year to finish this?
The way they go in here, the way they go pushing it now, you ain't gonna take a year to finish now, man. They're pushing it right now because they want to get it over and done. 7 months. Give it a year. The way they're doing it, give it a year. You know?
Love it. I just love the window.
Yes, the windows in there.
That's what I love.
When you have it like that, you get a lot of air inside.
See, I want to build something similar there. It's just rods going. Block it off. Windows everywhere. Simple.
Yeah. And the way he set the top now, you know. The water come down in the pipe and you full up the drums then. There's a catchment there for the water. You understand, right?
Yeah, I know.
You understand?
It comes down there,
it
yeah.
come down. Just like how the pipe is.
So you mean that actually forces it to go high,
higher and go down inside.
and if it is full here, it goes over to the other one.
And when the other one full, it just go over to the hole there and just keep on going down to the gully. You just go out as waste.
As waste.
Or
Or you could put another one for plants.
And the thing. And that's the chocho tree right here.
Yes.
This is a chocho tree right here. So you see, nobody get hungry here because I eat chocho till I don't want no more chocho. Look at it. They get ready to plant back again.
Yes, sir.
Then there goes my little farm. There goes pumpkin right there. There's a pumpkin right there growing. And then that's pumpkin coming up. Then you have bananas down there.
Yeah, you're doing your thing. Wow.
Yep, so that's it, buddy.
Well, if you ever need someone to do more of the farm work, you know, 'cause you must farm it up some more.
Yeah, you need to. I'm gonna put the banana, man. The short banana, those little short banana right there.
Yes, yeah.
I'm gonna put them all over.
Well,
And this is pepper. This is scallion.
So you plant this down there.
That one is aloe. You know, aloe that they sell maybe about $4 or $5 a sticks in the green grocery in America.
One piece of it.
See it right there growing.
You can broke.
Yeah, man, broke out. You can broke it out.
Which one? Which piece?
Wait, the bottom piece, I'm ready.
Like this?
No, step up to the big one. You can get the big one.
That one there, sir.
That one there. See if you can broke it out. Maybe you have to go cut it. Carry it to you. There you go. That's aloe right there. When you go in the green grocery, it's maybe about $5 for a piece like that now.
Fairfield Mountain.
Fairfield Mountain. And then you go to peppermint.
We were looking for mint to make some tea. Chubby, really? You can't even plant some mint for your mom?
I had a tree now.
Oh, this is my tree. You mind if I take a piece?
Yeah, take a piece. Mind that maca right there. That flower is right there with those stands.
This guy.
You're right there. On your left hand side. Don't make it sticky.
This is one of my favorite mint.
Don't make that flower sticky because it got
Poison.
something inside of
Venom.
it. Burn you like pepper. That little thing right there. No good for your hand or your foot. Stay away from it.
I would plant this thing all over the place. I love mint. I have to make some tea when I get back. Thank you so much. This is peppermint.
That's peppermint. And that's cane right there.
Oh, you've got some cane.
And that's the
You got the soursop.
That's the plum tree right there.
Is that plum tree?
Lychee.
Lychee plum, yeah.
Wait, that they call it chubby.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, I never seen it. It's a blossom.
It's some Chinese plum, but they're expensive, you know. Yeah, man, it's about $25 to $50 a one.
Yeah?
For that little thing right there.
See how fine little.
Fine there, not going there. I got, yes, fine there, going there. And see cocoa behind the chubby. And there, see, look at your cocoa there, go. Yeah. But when you go in, and when you come home, you got to adjust like them. You see, like how I carry myself now. It's very nice that I carry myself like that. Nobody can target me that, you know, I value anything.
But now they know everything about you.
You're only here. Yeah, but you don't get up every day and
But
dress
this
up.
is global now.
There's nothing wrong with that. Proceed.
You're going to get 15,000 people watching this tomorrow.
You're watching.
Wow. Great story.
Yeah.
I love these colors. Look at that. Boom. See, I need somebody who can do what they need to do. No long talking. No long talking. You work hard, put the money into it.
Get into it.
Just get it done.
This is another unit under heat, you know.
Yeah.
It's unfinished. We use it for storeroom now. But if you look at it, you see they mark out for 2 windows.
Yes.
So it's downstairs. So they pack the cement and they pack everything and make them lock it up.
Yes, yeah.
The way things going now, we got maybe about 6 out of 10 coming home now.
6 out of 10?
6 out of 10. Because a lot of land that was, they bought long time. They started to build house. If you go down the hill, you look over there. Those land was just vacant. You used to have a lot of signs of land for sale, land for sale. They take it down and build it up now. Because they see rain as well. It's better for them to come back home more than stay in America now. So they migrating and
So a
coming.
lot of the stories not told out there. People don't tell this kind of...
No, because you know what? The bad things that happen down in the city. And you know every city is corrupt. You know, so the mostly the city are anyway close to the city. You got problems. Because we have a shooting up here. And from I know I don't know myself have a shooting up this side here. They have one over that side over there. They shoot it and everything done by tomorrow. Nobody talk about it no more. Well, but it's good up here, man.
Thank you so much, sir.
We gotta work together that we have the cooking for every day. How many weeks you have this?
Be here for a month and
For month and a half?
2 weeks.
Month and 2 weeks. All right. Further down, we're gonna arrange something.
That will be a pleasure.
Yeah, and then you come down and watch the hands-on with the real cooking. And people can go on Shabba Cowan Facebook and you see the kind of food that we prepare up there and we eat and enjoy ourselves. All right.
This is Jamaica Good Life.
This is Jamaica Good Life. Fairfield Mountain, Manchester, in the middle of Jamaica.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
You got some mint in the process. Thank you, Chubby.